Okay, so solving, this is called solving it with three variables because there's three letters. I'm not going to go into like the super nuts and bolts of this. There's going to be some math magic involved just because I want to do this as fast as possible. Like I want to bore you. I just want to, we kind of want to just get through this. So it's actually really easy. Once you do it a couple times in your calculator, it is easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So basically we want to get these letters by themselves, right? So it's a complicated way of thinking of it, but if we think about it, we can divide all of the numbers over. That's what we're going to use matrices for. So what we do is we take all the front numbers, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, negative 1, and we make them into a box. And then we take all the numbers that after the equal sign, we make those into a box. And then we just have this negative 1, which is a math way of saying dividing. Again, I'm not going into nuts and bolts because whatever. If you do this a few times, you can just follow the steps, and it's really, really easy. And it gives you the answer every single time if you type it in correctly. So, again, take the front numbers, make a box. Take the back numbers, the equal numbers, and make a box up and down vertically. And then with a negative 1, that's really important. Gotta have this. That negative 1, that means divide. So we go on our graphing calculator, turn it on. We hit the matrix button. That's the if you have a TI-83 plus, it's right here. It's second, and then the negative 1 button. It brings up this. We go over to edit, and then it's a 3 by 3 matrix. That means our matrix we have over here is 3 across and 3 down. 3 by 3. And then we just type in our numbers: 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, negative 1. So that's the first one. We're just copying it in. Then we go to matrix again. We go to edit again. And we change our B. This one is 3 tall and 1 across. 3 by 1. And then we type in our numbers: 0, 5, and 2. Okay, last thing, we need to type this whole thing in. So like we have this, we've called it A. We have this, we've called it B. So now we're just going to type this thing with the negative 1 power into our calculator. So again, actually, sorry, hit second mode because we want to quit out to this normal blank screen. We go to matrix A, the negative 1 button here, and then matrix B. So we got it typed in just like it looks. A has all of those numbers inside it. B has all of those numbers inside it. So this is the way to write that. But we have written here. We can't just type this in how it looks. We have to use the A and the B. And then there's our answer. Negative 8, 13, and 5. Negative 5. So X is the top one, Y is the next one, and Z is the bottom one. Yeah. So take the coefficients, the numbers in front, make it a box, type that into A. Remember second, oops, this is hard to do. Second matrix and edit. So when we're typing in the numbers, the first part, we go to edit and we type in our numbers in there. And then the second numbers, 0, 5, and 2, those are the equals numbers. Those goes at the end. Again, matrix, edit, and B. And you type those numbers in. Now we actually want to solve it, so we hit second quit, second mode. And then we want to type it in how it looks like this. So matrix, just the names, A. Negative 1 button, super important. You won't get the right answer without that little negative 1 there. And then matrix B. So there you go. Hopefully that helps.